Let's take another look from CBS Skywatch at 79th and Roberts in Bridgeview. You can see how deep the floodwaters are there. And we've actually seen a lot of kids in the water. Hopefully everyone's staying safe out there, particularly because, we don't really know what's in that water.
Yeah.
All right, first alert, Chief Meteorologist Albert Ramon back here. The Pierogi Fest, so many people out heading into the weekend, but yet another round of storms is coming.
Yeah, including later this evening. Some of it could be heavy, and overnight there's a flash flood threat, and there's even a severe weather threat as we head towards tomorrow. So busy few days around here. Now this evening, the downpours are going to redevelop, especially mid-evening to late evening, and then overnight, waves of rain in the forecast, some of which could be heavy, and that's why there's a flood risk here for tonight. Tomorrow, it's both a flood risk and a severe weather threat. So waves of rain on Saturday, and some of it could be heavy, and in the afternoon, thunderstorms producing gusty winds, even an isolated tornado. It's going to be possible. Doppler radar right now, though, pretty quiet across Illinois. Still a couple of showers right now in northern sections of Porter County and also LaPorte County. One downpour exiting out of Michigan City right now along I-94, and a few areas of moderate showers just up towards the north of Valparaiso. It's 82 right now in Joliet, Kankakee at 80 degrees, 79 the current temperature in Gary, 77 humid conditions here in the Loop. Aurora right now at 84 degrees. If we widen out the picture, it's pretty quiet regionally. We are going to watch areas to the north of Missouri, northern Missouri into Kansas. That's where we're expecting our next plume of moisture to develop here in the next couple of hours, and then moves into our area by the middle part of the evening. So scattered areas of rain here this evening. Watch overnight though. That's 3 a.m. More widespread rain in the forecast. Some of this could be heavy into the morning times. If you got plans Saturday morning, count on rain. Another round by midday, and maybe not as widespread in the afternoon, but indications are thunderstorms that do develop on Saturday afternoon and evening could be strong or severe with a damaging wind and an isolated tornado threat. Let's talk Sunday. Going to Pierogi Fest, it's going to be dry, but it's going to be a lot hotter. Heat indices could be approaching 105. Between now and tomorrow night, additional 1 to 3 inches of rainfall is going to be possible. And like we saw earlier today on the south side of Chicago, you get one of these isolated downpours that doesn't move much, could put down a lot more rain than that. So weather alerts are posted for the threat of flash flooding and severe weather for tomorrow. Weather alert in place for Sunday, not because of severe weather, but because of dangerous heat. Heat index up to 105 on Sunday, could feel like 110 on Monday. Right now we're looking for a high temperature on Monday at 95. Some of the global models this afternoon want to have a few areas approach 100 degrees. So Monday's looking like it's going to be very hot. This is some of the new projections Monday at 5 p.m. showing the feel like temperature at 108 in Joliet, 109 in Morris, 110 in Ottawa. And some of the data continues this into Tuesday, having a few places out here towards the southwest suburbs exceed 110 degrees. The good news is the temperatures start to come down as we head towards the middle part of next week. So scattered downpours for tonight, 72 for the low for tomorrow, 81 with a chance of gusty thunderstorms that could be severe and heavy rainfall that could provoke additional flash flooding concerns. And then it's the heat. That's going to be the main issue for your Sunday and your Monday and your Tuesday. The worst of this next heat wave will be on Monday afternoon and Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday afternoon, we put the rain chance at 40%. If that materializes, thunderstorms that do develop could be severe with that kind of heat humidity on Tuesday. Scattered showers, 79 on Wednesday, and then a nice lake breeze for Thursday and Friday. Heads up for our beachgoers and sailors. Looks like we're going to have difficult wave conditions out at Lake Michigan once again Thursday and Friday. That's kind of the double-edged sword when it comes to, we got a cool breeze off the lake, but it makes for some dangerous swimming conditions late next week.
Yeah.